In today's video, we'll guide you through designing a pole barn using our Design Online tool and calculate the cost. All right, so let's get into it. You'll go to fbibuildings.com. That'll bring you to our website. Click Design Your Own Building tab. And then you're going to want to look for the red Design Your Own. Go ahead and click that. That's going to redirect you to our 3D Designer page. And for today's build, it's going to be a pretty basic build. Like I said, we're not putting a lot of bells and whistles on this pole barn. This is more to show you how to use the 3D Designer, and we want to incorporate a cost with this build, so we're keeping it pretty simple. So off to your right-hand side, you'll see there's some red tabs, and that's everything you're going to be using in here. So it's already open for building dimensions. So for this build, we're going to start this out at a 42 by 64 by 14. So you can go ahead and close your building dimensions. We're going to go ahead and add our door frame out. So we'll go down and look for windows and doors. And you can pick whatever door, but for this specific one, we're going to add overhead window door. So that's going to put that there. You'll want to click on that, and that's going to let you choose the size of this, what you want this door. So this specific door is going to be a 16 by 14. Now all you have to do is hit update, and that's going to put that on your building. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a walk door. So for this build, we're just going to add a pretty plain, simple, solid walk door. Again, it's kind of the same way. Whatever these doors, windows, or whatever features you add on, you just have to click on that to add the size. We're going to add a 36 by 80. We're going to update, and let's move that clear down here. So we have our overhead door and our walk door on. Next, we're going to add our window. So for this one, we're just going to add a slider, and we're going to add another slider. Same thing. You can choose where these windows go. These are going to be 4x3 windows. Okay, so now we have our doors and windows added to this building. We're going to change some colors, so we'll want to go over to the Colors tab. For this build, we're going to do a matte black roof, and the trim color we're also going to add as a matte black. So this is pretty, again, simple build, but it's looking pretty slick with the black and white. That's a good color combo. Go ahead and close out of that. We're going to go over to the walls option, and we're going to add some wainscot. We're going to add that on all four sides. So go ahead and click all four, and click out of that. We're going to go back to colors, and we're going to choose the wainscot color. So we're going to add that also as a matte black. So for the building we've just designed, the estimated cost stands north of $55,000. It's important to note that this pricing is subject to variation based on several factors. Firstly, location plays a significant role. As the distance increases, so do freight costs. Additionally, the specific features chosen for the building, such as overhangs, windows, walk doors, and steel liner packages, can impact the final price as well. Also, fluctuations in the current commodities market, particularly the price of steel, may also influence the overall cost. To further initiate your custom design, visit fbibuildings.com. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.